How to fix quiet iPhone alarm. In this video, I'll show you how to turn up the volume of your alarm so it makes more noise. Please consider liking and subscribing if this helps you out. To adjust the volume of your alarms, you need to open up the Settings app, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, and then crank up the ringtone and alerts as loud as you can go. Something I dislike about iPhones is your alarm volume is always set to this ringtone volume, meaning if you want a quiet ringtone and a loud alarm, you can't have them separate. It's all dependent on this one setting. With that said, turn this up as loud as it can go, and you can also change your ringtone to something more abrasive so it makes more noise. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you because it would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching.